Welcome back to part 2 of my office refresh, and I want to thank you all for your kindness of the part 1 of the video. In today's video, you will see a small shift in color choice for this fall season, but the blues will always be in play. For those who have missed part 1 of the office refresh, we partnered with Smart Wings and added smart Roman shades into the space, and it has been such a great asset to the way I work in my office. They come in different colors and they are super affordable. I'll leave a link down below in case you're interested. I've also changed around my feng shui by putting the desk on the opposite wall of the window because I have a new desk, y'all, which you will see in a bit. I styled my sofa in the last video, but I didn't share it, but I wanted you to see what a difference color brings into the space. As you can see, I had the blue throw, which I love, but I purchased another one in a different color. It's soft and beautiful, and for the quality, you cannot believe the price. It's from Amazon. I added this battery-operated puck light to the side table and just put my glass vase over it. It's such a beautiful little touch, especially in the evening. It's a little gloomy today. We had some thunder showers, so forgive me for the poor lighting. So I've switched gears a little bit with my colors for this space due to this area rug. This beauty. Isn't she beautiful, you guys? Oh, I love that it's hand tufted wool, and I love the geometric design, and it's 10 by 14 and it's heavy as all heck. It's like 139 pounds. So my colors are going to switch up just a little. Stand by. This is the second part of the shipment. FedEx came and dropped it here. It's in a crate, so I have no idea what we have to do to put it together. Normally I get white glove service, but we're just gonna try to wing it today. But I think it's fairly easy. I think it's all put together. Well, we shall see. We shall see. I'm going to be very honest with you. Otis was dreading putting this together, but when he noticed there was only 8 screws to put it together, he actually smiled. I'm over the moon excited how this modern elegant writing desk elevated my home office. It's the perfect blend of luxury and practicality for everyday use. It's always in the details, classic Roman columns, 3 spacious drawers, perfect for organizing all of my paperwork, office supplies, and personal items. I'm sharing some of my necessities. This is my phone holder. You can place it virtually on any surface to get those perfect angles when you're filming or taking pictures. My remote to my TV on wheels is the LG TV. It's the remote that I can control in the house. It's always where I leave it. And my remote to my smart blinds is here as well. My jumbo paper clips I love. Normally I'll have my breakfast here, so naturally I'll have my vitamins here. TikTok scrolling ring, it is life-changing. Floss comes in handy for making sure nothing's in my teeth right before a Zoom call, and it has a little mirror. Bows are so on-trend, I had to have these adorable gold pens. You guys know this is my favorite hand cream. You can get it from TJ Maxx or Marshalls. My eyeglass case and my MK wallet. I like to keep cash on hand for takeout delivery or tipping my FedEx guys. They are always at my house and we are almost like family. Yet they work so hard and so unappreciated, and I just like to do my part. My trackpad, essentially it's an external touchpad for my computer, and my on-the-go battery banks. I've owned Russell & Hazel acrylic office supplies for years. I'm a huge fan. This gold calculator is a part of their line, as well as this acrylic notepad. Recently on a Goodwill trip, I scored a Russell & Hazel headphone holder for $1.99. I knew exactly what it was when I seen it. The checkout girl had no clue what it was. Once I told her, she saw the vision. Let me show you the price of owning one of these. Another acrylic box has my wall chargers for my smart blinds and cords, and another box post-it notes, and of course they're gold. I love keeping my items in clear acrylic boxes. It just makes it easy for me to find anything. It's just a clean look. Bottom drawer has my laptop and my iPad. Again, I don't have a lot of useless things. Everything you see here, I actually use. This is how my office looked from this angle. I have the 2 decorative display bookcases that you could display books or decor. Right now I have decor in it. I used to keep my Cricut machines inside, and I don't do Cricut like that any longer, so I just have one machine that's inside of one of the drawers over here. You may notice that I do have two monitors, and the reason for that is I had one for my Be My Guest channel and one for my travel channel at Glamping with the Coopers. And it's a lot of footage, it's a lot of storage, so I didn't want to put everything on one monitor. So that's why I have two. And I normally take one or the other with me when we travel in my RV. So it's a full business going on over here, you guys. This is the command. I also have a beautiful piece of art that's being commissioned. I'm waiting for it to get finished. It didn't get finished in time, so you may have to follow me over on Instagram to see what it is. If not, you'll see an updated video in the future. I wanted to give you guys a closer look of what I have inside my clear glass cabinet. I love this cabinet because you can display so many things. Your books, your decor, which I have in here now, obviously. But I used to keep my Cricut machines. I have several of them. Like anything Cricut was inside of here. And I don't do Cricut like that any longer. So I'd rather have, you know, things that I love for the current time. And this is it. A lot of these pieces you guys probably have already seen. One new addition that I have is this beautiful little globe. My nephew, Elijah, some of you may have seen him on my Instagram. He is a fan of globes and he's only 5 years old. Again, with my storage boxes, I have them all over the house. Nothing's in them now, but I may need it in the future. Take you on the other side. I forgot to mention that I do have built-in lighting, and the glass, it just kind of puddles through at night. I love being inside of my office because it's such a vibe, you guys. I just love it. Me and my husband sometimes sit in here with a glass of wine and just talk about our day, and this is what it is, you know. But as far as the decor, it's pretty much the same like boxes. On the other side, it's on the bottom shelf. Here I have it on the middle shelf. And here I have these planters that I just adore. Had them for years. They're from, I think, TJ Maxx. And I just put some moss inside. Something simple. Something simple. I'm styling my desktop with this bundle from HomeGoods. Love the subtle sparkle on them. I'm also using this marble tray with the gold edge. It's the little details that gets me every time. This adorable catch-all box I'm using to keep my lighting, battery, operated remotes inside. And you may have seen this little flea market find. I've had it for years and I use that to keep my rings on it. This little vase I've had forever and you may have seen it in my white and pink office years ago. She's my favorite. I've used one bundle of the branches along with other remnants I had just laying around. The rest of them I will be using in my next fall video, so be sure to click your notification bell so you don't miss out. In the comments, do you like making your own arrangements or do you like buying them already arranged? And for some added protection for my desk, I'm using this desk pad that's from Walmart. Big and tall style executive high back office chair is so elite. It's wrapped in upholstered bold leather. The high back gives me more than enough support with the added plushness. I can work all day and night. It's not only tall people friendly, it has a generous amount of foam padding, wide armrests, tilting seat reclines with pull-out footrests letting you shift easily from tasking to relaxing. And it also comes with an included lumbar pillow for an added layer of comfort. This 10 by 14 rug really sets the tone of comfort, and I've intentionally chose this size so that all of my furniture can be placed on it. This area rug anchors the space beautifully with its massive size, but the black and the cream color of the rug brings the drama that's needed amongst these light walls. Because there's no overhead lighting in the space, I've added task lighting throughout the room. aged brass quality of this lamp is a total win because it's solid and heavy with a super nice finish, and it was only $10 at Goodwill. I didn't want cords on the floor, so I tucked the cord under the tabletop, and I'm using 2 battery backup light bulbs for lighting. This is the perfect alternative for using a lamp where there's no outlet. Over in my favorite cozy corner, I've styled it with lots of eye candy. This is my little travel corner for me and my husband's travel channel at Glamping with the Coopers. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. We would love to have you. I'm using this cabinet for storing my camera equipment, and any sponsorship packages go inside of here. Above the cabinet, there's a wall of a few of our favorite photos. They're framed in this beautiful blue and gold matte finish. They are also from HomeGoods. Walgreens came in handy for sizing up my frames and choosing the color tones in the photo. I've added some decorative boxes that are from HomeGoods. They are super handy for storing office supplies or smaller items that tend to get lost. If you're going to add decorative boxes onto any surface, try to use at least 2 to 3 boxes. Acrylic book displays from Ballard Design. I've had it for quite a few years, and I'm just adding one of my favorite books by Aaron Geek. I love adding little pieces of greenery when I do any type of vignette, and this vintage armadillo. This was a flea market find that I got years ago, and I still love it. And of course, my magnifying glass, you can tell that it's old. I got that years ago from the flea market. Double duty decor is what I live for. I love finding items that can transition between different uses. That's both practical and aesthetically pleasing. On one of my shopping trips, I came across a few toilet paper holders. In my opinion, they were just too pretty to hold TP. My vision was to use it as a hook to hold my purse or my work bag. This is absolutely a decorative item that serves multiple functions, especially in a smaller space. It's all in the details. Find an item that speaks to you. Here's a fun fact. Bees represent hard work and diligence. If you're a thrifter like me, you already know it's not always easy or exciting to sort and dig through the clutter to find that perfect treasure that speaks to you. Persistence will pay off, I promise you. This trio of nesting tables is something I didn't know I needed. Is from Goodwill, and like I've said in my past thrifting videos, Goodwill is not like how it used to be as far as the prices and the treasures. And at $34, it beats going into the home store paying double if not triple that. I can see the potential, so I'm giving a little love. My color is black and I'm using chalk paint. After cleaning her and getting rid of all the dust and the grime, I am a huge fan of using it because it's the perfect one-step, no prep chalk paint. Although this set of nesting tables is small, but it still needs a little styling. You can use books you are currently reading. In my case, I'm using faux books. This amazing piece looks like real marble, but it's actually resin. I love the movement in it, and it really looks like a high-end piece, but I got it for only $12.99 at Ross. I knew I wanted to fill the bowl with hints of fall by adding acorns. Funny thing is, I saw this set of acorns and immediately put it in my cart, not realizing when I got home they're actually salt and pepper shakers. I've always had a love for nesting tables because they are designed to fit together, taking up minimal floor space when it's not in use. This was a simple and subtle change because of all the pattern and textures. I chose to go with plain pillows and use one blingy pillow for balance. Here's that throw I shared with you earlier. This is in the black charcoal color, and this throw is so amazing and soft, and it's heavy, and you can get it in a larger size, and the price is just right. I'll leave a link down below in case you want to get one for yourself. I hope this video have inspired you to get started on your fall decor and get your focus for the new school year. Be sure to check back because I do have more fall videos in the works that I will be posting. And for those of you who want to see how we spent our time at the Pelican Roost RV Park in Mayport, Florida, you can head on over to our travel channel at Glamping with the Coopers. Every day we woke up to a beautiful view of the St. Johns River, and every day we had thunder showers. But no, that didn't stop us from exploring the RV park and soaking up sun at the beach when we could. It was all play, no work. Just relaxing and regrouping before the fall season. We went to our favorite seafood restaurant. The food was just, We got lots of exercise on our bikes, and we even attended a friend's birthday party. As always, the hardest part about the entire trip was going home. I'll leave that link down below. And I want to thank you all for watching.